The instant application is pending on the issue of installation of meter of electricity by Karachi Electric Supply Company (KESC) at the premises of plaintiff pending the suit. Full stop. The record shows that in September, temporary electricity connection was provided to the plaintiff, which was subsequently disconnected on the pretext that the requirements of policy for new connection have not been met by the plaintiff. Full stop. On the last date of hearing, this court has been making efforts to get this issue of installation of electric meter amicably settled between the plaintiff and the KESC, and this regard KESC was directed to provide connection policy manual so that the court may examine the impediment in the way of KESC in respect of installation of the electricity meter at the premises of the plaintiff. Full stop. New paragraph. It is admitted position that the premises where the plaintiff is running a marriage lawn belongs to the Karachi Metropolitan Corporation (KMC), and the KMC has not only allowed the plaintiff to run a marriage lawn, it has also issued a no objection certificate addressed to the KESC for installation of the electricity meter on the premises. Full stop. A similar NOC has been issued by Town Officer Gulshan Iqbal. Both letters of NOC are of September 2009. Full stop. Despite both these letters, it has been consistent plea of the KESC that the requirements in respect of the documents for new connection have not been fulfilled. Full stop. Today, learned counsel for the KESC has placed a copy of KESC policy manual for new connection and referred to pages 141 and 165. Full stop. This manual at pages 165 paragraph is dealing with the requirements of new connection. Full stop. new paragraph, while arguing the matter, learned counsel for the cask informed that the cask cannot provide electricity meter to the plaintiff and referred to an internal policy, copy whereof has not placed in court, and stated that now, as per internal policy, electricity connection to every marriage hall should be given through 20 kV dedicated PMT full stop. However, he has not disclosed as to when this policy has been implemented full stop. Even he is not in a position to identify as to how many marriage loans have been provided PMT full comma. Therefore, the requirements of dedicated PMT as mentioned at pages 141 of the policy manual and in the unidentified internal policy to deny electricity meter to plaintiff is malified full stop. The plaintiff should not be discriminated with as all till date this policy has not been implemented throughout Karachi according to the learned counsel for the plaintiff, he has compiled with all the required formalities and submitted all the required documents to the defendant, but cask is still standing inflated bills without as proof of consumption to match the amount of bills full stop. This desire of cask to overbill the plaintiff should be checked only if the meter is installed full stop. He has also submitted that all the required documents annexed with the plant over the requirement mentioned in paragraph 3 of the cask policy manual regarding new connection full stop.